jeez. You gotta open up the window and let the bird out before the cat gets it. Go on out. Get it out, get it away, get it away. Get it away, get the picture of it.
Puss. Show the cat in the room.
You're getting that cat away there now. You better get it before it goes anywhere. Look, open the window. Fuck it. Pick up the cat and put it outdoors.
The cat got the bird.
Pick up the cat and put it outdoors.
Cat's dead. Bird's dead.
Well, pick up the cat and put it outdoors.
Puss. You tired, well, that's okay. Puss. Get that?
Huh?
Cat's dead. Bird's dead on the floor now.
Well, pick it up and put it outdoors if the cat's not around it.
Come on, Puss. Come on. Come on. She got it again.
What?
Shit.
Pick up the bird and throw it outdoors.
Pick up the bird. Pick up the kid. Pick up the kid. Pick up the bird.
Is the bird still... It's still alive, is it? Well, pick her up and put her outdoors.
Cat's pick up. She's running about. There's nothing to grab her now. Hey, Puss. Puss. Oh.
Look at the feathers on the floor.
Puss.
Is the bird still flying around? Pick it up and put it outdoors.
Yes, I get the cat. Deal with the cat first.
I don't know how you let a bird in the house.
Right, the window. Jump to the window. Bird in the mouth. Come on. Come on.
Here, puss. Close that door. No bird's getting in there. Is it flying around?
There's paper over there. Just see there. Please, pen.
Is it still flying around?
No, it's paper on the paper there.
Here, puss. Pick up the cat and put her in the... Look, she's going out that now. She knows better than that. Put the cat outdoors. Pick her up, put the cat outdoors.
There.
Hurry up for the car, yeah? There's the feathers in the aftermath.
Close the window. One down, one to go.
Damn idiots. Better watch that bird flies up. Don't put it in your hands. Get a paper towel or something. Gross. Jeez. Watch, don't fly up. Pick it up. Don't be afraid of it. The cat's trying to get in there now. Pick it up, boy. Flying around now, Yenza. Burn this shit up.
Shut up, Scott.
Cat waiting for it. What?
Alcohol order.
Well, you frig off, boy. Frig off. Fuck. Alright. Throw it out. Alright, here. Close the door before it comes in again.
Oh, boy, this cat's gone now.
Cat's still trying to get in, but... That is that. Gross. There's the bird killer.
Yeah, it's only over there type of thing. I don't say he's gonna live.
So he killed the bird, and about 15 years ago he killed a rat.
It's over there in the woods, it is.
So what happened? The bird flow in, or the cat had it in the mouth? You don't push? Huh? Oh.